Alan, what about people who say, okay, you're talking about them being programmable. They might say, I don't know how to program. So what am I going to do with this? What do you say to them? Do they need to know how to program to really take the most advantage of the opportunity?
Yeah, so let's explore that, right? So I also remember I didn't answer previous your question about how people will use immutable metaverse in social media. One of the pain points for social media, is that most of the social media, of course, they jump out of the Web 1. So they are in Web 2, which means that they are interactive, they have social connections that really connect people as a network. But however, most of the dominant social media today, they don't have access point to Web3. So you can have a wonderful project, you can have a wonderful NFT on the Web3, and you can have your data stored on Ethereum, you can have a data stored on some permanent storage. But however, if your favorite social media never have built an access point into Web3, they're still in Web2. So you still cannot benefit from the society, the castle that you build on Web3. So we want to address that. So that's why that we embedded messages, code, music, and a lot of other things as part of the artwork. Just like the Gyoza, the NFT that you see on the screen, so which in itself is a GIF, animated GIF file. And we also know that so I'm talking about technology jargons here, but the animated GIF file is also not being affected by compression. Because when you pass an image from computer to computer, and the video files, just think about video files. When you upload an image, when you upload a video onto YouTube, onto Twitter, they might get compressed. So there's no promise that other companies will not touch your file. So when you are embedding a code into social media, you also need to make sure that whatever the message you embedded will not be corrupted inadvertently by other companies in that they have innocent reason to try to make your file a little bit smaller, so to try to make the size of the file smaller. So our format is actually resilient to these type of social media. When you pass Yami Hamo NFT and similar format NFTs onto the social media, number one, the code will survive the distribution on the Web2 social media. And number two, you don't have to go back into Web3 to understand what is in the message, because the message comes with the artwork already being distributed by any social media company. So as long as you can show, in summary, as long as you can show this NFT as a GIF file onto your social media account, and then if you know how to properly retrieve the information, and then you will be able to enjoy the creation of your content on a wide range of social media platforms.